Good morning, bonjour, ito. Nag-French naman tayo because this is an adventure. I'm excited because we'll be converting our little cuisine into a creperie. Oui, creperie.
You're watching Channel 1 and this is the World Cuisine series presented in TAGLISH. Let's join Romilo in his small kitchen. Brace yourself up, maraming kwentuhan ito.
Warm welcome, you're going to go here. Bonjour et bienvenue à ma cuisine.
Simple ingredients: ordinary flour, 3/4, salt, and then sugar according to your taste, 1 cup of milk. Evaporated milk, it's good as a replacement. Just dilute it 1:1. And 2 eggs if you want it creamy. 2 eggs. And just mix it. I don't have my whisker, so this is more difficult. And I did not sift the flour. But it's recommended to avoid the lumps as you are seeing here.
And let's allow the butter to rest. And let's take a walk. 30 minutes. It needs 30 minutes, so let's walk just around the block.
The bubbles need to escape to make our butter or our pancake stronger.
Yeah, I know French na ang kuya because our breakfast today is French inspired. Yes, let's convert this small kitchen into a creperie. Yes, creperie de homolo. That's how it is said in France. Yes, it's crepe. It's just French style pancake. Yes, maraming salang pancake. And this morning, for our breakfast, for our petit déjeuner, that's how it's called in France. Breakfast is petit déjeuner, roughly translated to small lunch. Yeah. We'll be cooking crepe. Yeah, that's how it's pronounced in French. Crepe. Here, the R should be felt here. Use the throat in pronouncing the R. That's why crepe homolo. Creperie de homolo. Yeah. Let's start. We have rested this butter for 30 minutes although my plan was to take a walk. It did not happen. It did not happen. I just cleaned my window sill. So let's start. Crepe comes in 2 flavors. You can have it sweet by adding the classic is Nutella, or marmalade, or confiture. Yeah? That's how it's called in France. Confiture, marmalade, or jam. Jam is called confiture, and you can have it hearty. You can have it hearty as well, with cheese or bacon or anything of salty flavor. We'll do it 2 ways and we'll be serving it 2 ways.
Pancake is the specialty of several countries. Yes, here in the Netherlands, again, ang sabi ko kanina, they love pancakes and it can serve even for dinner. There's this advertisement on banking. It's a bank, it's local banking. I mean banking in Holland. Ito yung eksena. The scene is in Monaco, at sabi ng waiter. Itago nyo yung mga malalaking plato. Nandiyan na naman mga Hollanders. Pancake lang naman order na mayo. And then comes the ad. You don't have to go to Monaco for your banking needs. Bank at yes. It's known na ang mga Hollanders matipid pancake lang. At special sa kanila yun. So that's why this pancake of ours here in Channel 1 can also be special. Make it your own. This is simple street food in the streets of Paris. And we'll serve that a la street food. Parisien. Yes, street food. Ayan. Ang ating version ng street food, crepe à la Paris. S'il vous plaît. I remember this time when Anne and Jet visited me. We went to this open air museum in the north of the country, and there was no other restaurant there but a pancake house. So we had pancake for lunch. And then the next day we visited a friend in the north, in further north, and he treated us to an again cultural attraction. And he treated us for lunch. You know what was our lunch? Again, pancake. Pancake. Yeah, napurga kami ng pancake. Yes, you can eat this for lunch, for breakfast, and some even for dinner. Yes, I already attended a birthday treat, a big gathering at a fancy pancake house, and this was the dinner. So, I won't eat sweet for dinner, so I ordered something hearty. So I ordered the Italian style, so it's just they decorated it or they layered or they top it as pizza with cheese. We'll do that. Good morning. Breakfast cooking, it has become a crepe festival. Our classic street food. Yan, kinain ko na. Which remains my favorite.
the hearty version with cheese. I use pasta cheese. Oh no, I use pasta cheese, so it's really salty. I'll save them for the future, perhaps for lunch. I won't be having hearty crepe for breakfast. I want my breakfast crepe to be on the sweet side. So we'll use, or I'm going to spread Nutella. Diba yan? I didn't expect that to be that wet. This is how I do it. Again, thank you for joining me today here at my little kitchen. I'm a cuisine petite. And I hope to have you again next time as we bring you more adventures on the cuisine of the world, bringing it to the Filipino table, bringing it closer to the Pinoy palate. I know this is something we like. We like pancakes as Pinoys. Until next time, à prochaine fois. I should start ironing my kitchen towels. If you enjoyed what you've just seen, don't forget to subscribe and share it. Ibida natin ang mga pagkain ating na-discover and share it. Have fun! And if you have pictures of your pancakes or whatever you have in your kitchen, even your dirty kitchen, whatever is special in your kitchen, maybe the food, your kitchen, your mother's cooking, everything. Share it on Facebook on Channel 1. And we'll feature it here in one of our upcoming shows on Channel 1. And if you prefer travel, then it's My Barrio, My Mundo. That's a channel for you. It's about places, travels, and special events. It's the same kuya who's presenting there. The same voiceover, Simulong.